In this video, we're going to show you how to back up your iPhone or iPad to an external drive, a network drive, or another location. iTunes can back up your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch to a fixed folder on your computer. But what if you want to back up your device to an external hard drive, a network volume, or another location? You may want to do this to save space or to store your backups on a secure drive. iMazing's backup management features are totally free. You only need to purchase a license to use some of the more advanced features. When iMazing backs up your iOS device, it only copies those files that are new or changed, saving space, but you can keep an archive of backups over a long period of time. With iMazing, you can set a backup location anywhere you want, and iMazing can store multiple backups, enhancing the security of your data. Launch iMazing and select your device in the sidebar. Click the gear icon at the top of the main window. This opens the Device Options window. Click the Change button in the Backup Location section. Select a disk or click Choose a Custom Location to select a specific folder. Click Done to save the location for your iMazing backups. The first time you back up a device, iMazing will automatically display backup location options. Changing your backup location will not move existing backups to the new location. It will only affect future backups. And changing your iMazing backup location will not change where iTunes stores its backups.